Keeping people and places secure is your priority. At dormakaba, we're developing smarter alternatives while providing unmatched security. The new E-Plex 7900 lock was developed with an open API, keeping interoperability and partner integration in mind, while delivering a scalable, flexible solution for customized access. Ideal for commercial, higher ed, and K-12 applications, this open architecture integrates seamlessly with multiple software platforms and expands to meet your facility needs. If you're looking for streamlined operations, simplified installation, and field-proven reliability, you're looking for the E-Plex 7900. Not only can this heavy-duty lock set stand up to the most demanding applications, it also supports a diverse list of today's credentials, from physical to mobile. These locks communicate wirelessly and are available for cylindrical, mortise, and exit trim applications. Priced below comparable competitor systems, this lock meets the highest BHMA standards for durability and is available in multiple finishes and levers to fit your aesthetic. Add in various mechanical options, key override, and other functionalities, and you have a solution built around you. Maximize the user experience. Simplify yours. Nothing fits into your existing infrastructure better or prepares you for the future like the E-Plex 7900. This is open. This is integrated. This is dormakaba.